Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I finally received March's Beauteque Mask Maven and Beauteque Beauty Box. Do you want to know what's inside of these guys right here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Beauteque monthly for March finally just arrived, and we're already more than halfway through April. I did write them and let them know that last month's Mask Maven had the mask that was pierced and leaking over everything, and they haven't replied back to me, but I've sent them several messages and they still won't reply. So I haven't got a response yet on that. So anyway, they all come in here. This is a Mask Maven. We'll do this one first. And then here's the card. It's called Sugar and Sweets Mask Maven for March 2020. Now for the Mask Maven, they do not go over pricing, but they do go over each individual mask and why they chose it. But masks are masks. So we're just gonna go ahead and run through and see. The first one we have is a honey sheet mask. This is cute packaging. It's icing sweet bar, sweet mask, pineapple. That sounds amazing, but it looks like a little popsicle. That's super cute. Watermelon is my all-time favorite. So we have a watermelon sheet mask. Ooh, and another one is my favorite. Here's coffee. Here's a coffee milk 1-pack. So here's another coffee sheet mask. And then here's just a milk sheet mask. Ooh, we have a strawberry macaroon mask with red fruits. So it has strawberry, cherry, it looks like watermelon and tomato, all the red fruits, but it's a macaroon mask. So that sounds interesting. And then this one is a honey mask, very cute packaging. And then the last one in here is a honey milk candy mask. It's a different package. It's this little thing rolled up into it. So there are all of the masks for Mask Maven. And I love sheet masks, so I really do love getting this particular one. And then again, these go over all of the different masks that I would have received. One of them is a mystery mask, which is gonna be the little guy, because I don't see this one anywhere. So this is my mystery mask for this month. Now let's go ahead and get into the beauty box and let's see what we have in here. And when you open up the box, there is the same theme. This one has a little sticker, says "You're the sweetest," and it looks like it has 2 little macaroons on it. That is so cute. Then when you remove the sticker and you look inside, that's what it looks like. I do see some macaroons. I wonder if that's the lip balm. Oh wait, no, there's sponges. Let's see. So in here, it does give us pricing, so I can tell us the price at the end of the video. So let's go with the first thing that I already saw. These are blending sponges. How adorable. They're macaroon blending sponges. So these are valued at $6 for the set, but look how cute. They look like little macaroons, and they're sponges, blending sponges. This macaroon shaped sponge is a fun way to blend your makeup into your face. Into your face. It's made of very soft material, which ensures a seamless, natural airbrush finish. You can also use it with liquid, cream, and powder products. But those are so cute that they look like little macaroons. That's adorable. And this is valued at $6. So there's item number 1. Now, item number 2 says Touch My Body Wash. This refreshing body wash contains natural extracts and goat milk to help clean and nourish the skin while leaving behind a light, uplifting fragrance. It delivers the perfect amount of moisture all the time with no dry after shower. And I think we have one of these that says Touch My Body Scrub, which was a body scrub, and this is a body wash. I do like body washes over body scrubs, and this is valued at $12. It says, take a small amount of the product into the palm of your hands and lather until slightly foamed. Use gentle circular motions across your entire body, specifically on dry regions, and then wash off. The goat milk is high in vitamin A, which is necessary to repair damaged skin tissue and maintain healthy skin. I didn't know it did all that, so that's amazing. So here is a body wash. I just wish that this was a little bit bigger. It's kind of like a trial size to me. It's a little 3 ounce. That's like a travel, a travel one, but I'll definitely try it. So then next we have is Beauteque Green Pomegranate and Ruby Hydrogel Eye Patch. This is valued at $20, and it says, just like real pomegranate, these eye patches have a sweet surprise inside. Pomegranates protect against premature aging and help reduce the signs of skin aging caused by sun damage and exposure. Say goodbye to wrinkles all around your eyes. So let's see. There is one of these little things, and when you open it up, oh, okay. So it's just a set of all eye patches. That's a whole lot of eye patches in there. Does it say how many are in here? That's a lot. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. I don't see a quantity, but that thing is filled with them. So that's really cool, because normally you get like a package of like 1 eye patch, well, 2, like a pair, but you get it like a one-time use. This, now you have a full thing of them. So that's really neat. I like that. And again, that's $20. Then next we have is this Silk Volume Honey Cream, honey extract. Definitely cute packaging for sure. This is valued at $18. Wake up, honey. This cream was formulated for tired, dry skin to give a sweet wake-up call. Honey contains special micronutrients that protect against harmful environmental agents. With regular use, this honey cream will reduce wrinkles, fight age spots, and eliminate dullness. After cleansing your skin, apply a small amount of cream to the face. Use toner before applying cream to help the product absorb into the skin. And it has a nice clean scent, and it's pretty much completely full. So that's nice. Let me get my little finger in there just so I can feel the cream. Ooh, it does smell nice. Ooh, I like that. That feels really nice, and that's valued at $18. I like that. So now we have is, so cute packaging. It looks like a little popsicle hanging out the top. This is valued at $16. This is a Toot House Dear Darling Water Gel Tint. Color may vary. Why we love it? Your lipstick is too heavy, your gloss is too sticky, but this lip tint is just right. That's so cute. It looks like a little popsicle. I wish it was a lighter color because that looks kind of like it's red, but it says this product uses a light, airy formula that contains vitamins and minerals to give you the perfect color while also being super comfortable and long lasting. Use the applicator to apply a thin layer onto your lips. Apply extra layers for fuller coverage. So, okay, so you twist it open and it opens up like a normal lipstick would. And oh, that is definitely a dark color. The picture shows like a mauvish pink color, but this is like a red. So I don't know how much I'm going to use it, but I think it is the cutest packaging. Like, it looks just like a little popsicle. I think that's the cutest packaging. And there's that. It's a lip stain, so I don't want it to, it already did. It already stained my hand. That quick. So there's that. And then the last item in here, Peach Oxygen Bubble Mask for clean and bright skin. I've got this before. Could have been in a completely different box even. I have no clue, but I've got this before. So there's that, and this is valued at $4. So that is everything that came in the Beauteque monthly. We have this mask, we have a body wash, we have a lot of eye gel patches, which is good because you can put that on and then put a sheet mask on over. And with my Beauteque monthly, with my Mask Maven, I have all of those masks, so I can put the eye patch on, put the sheet mask on, and sit and chill for like 20 to 30 minutes. Then we have this Silk Volume Honey Cream, which feels, yes, in my hand still feels super soft. So I really like that. We have this, which I would only wish that this was the lighter color, not this dark red situation, but color will vary. And these I think are super cute, even though I don't use sponges because I normally don't use liquid foundation. I think those are just super cute, even just a set in my arsenal because they're cute. I do have that I got from this box. There's a set of two. They look like macaroons. One of them is like a small hand cream and one of them is a lip balm. And I have them stacked up sitting next to each other because I think they look super cute. But see how it has more of like a burgundy. That one looks more of a burgundy, not a bright red. So that's my only thing. I just wish I would have got a lighter color because that one would have probably been really cute. This is just a little too dark for me. So that is everything that came in my Mask Maven and my Beauteque monthly for March, like several weeks ago, March, but you know. So comment down below, let me know, do you get Mask Maven? Do you get the beauty box? Are you on the fence of getting them? I'm gonna continue to get it until my subscription runs out and then I'll figure out what I wanna do. I have a few more months left of my prepaid subscription for both of them. I think I have like three to 5 more months coming, so we'll figure out when that day comes. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. If you guys want to know a little bit about Beauteque Monthly, I will let you know right about now. The Beauteque Beauty Box is $24 per month. Shipping is in addition. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $23. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $22 a month, but shipping is still in addition. And for that one, you get 6 full-size products delivered to your door. That's all K-Beauty. And then the Mask Maven, you get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door, but they also could have wash-off masks, eye and lip patches, hair masks, and more. That's $15 a month plus shipping. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $14. And if you do 12 full months, it brings it to $13 a month, and shipping is still in addition. If you order by the 15th of the month, you'll get that month. If you order after the 15th, then you'll get the following month, but they normally ship at the very end of the month. But now they're shipping now in the middle of the following month. So there you go. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day and you stay safe out there. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.